So what do you think this is called? What do you think this is called? What you're doing now? What do you think this is called? You can see the water table very clearly here, guys.
Yeah, and here.
Oh, you can see it there too? Yeah, you can see the water table. So that is the deeper water table now, huh? Because it's in the rocks. Yeah, continue, pour the water. Let's see how much the water table we can rise. How much water will fit into this, we'll see. We'll do one thing, we'll actually make it like how a well is. Just hang on, move. We'll keep it like this so that all this, you see what I was saying, why a well needs walls? Yeah. You see how it's eroding on the sides, right? So we'll make a well. Of course, this well has a stupid thing sticking out all the way. So put the water through that. Put the water. Yeah, this is the equivalent of the cement walls or the bore casing. We talked about the casing. So this is playing that role now, right? But you also see something interesting. What's the color of the water there? Why? You're taking the soil in. So what does that mean? That as water is getting into the ground, that something can happen to what? When water falls from the sky as rain, right? What is it? Rainwater is like distilled water. You know what distilled water is? You completely evaporated it, completely leaving it back. But as the water goes into the ground, what can happen to it? It can, its quality can change. Its quality can change, right? Whether it becomes dirty or clean or what, we'll talk about that later. Okay? So the water table has now risen above the, almost risen above the bedrock.
Sand is falling.
Now as the water is touching the sand, see what's happening to the sand.
Nice.
Okay. So this I didn't predict in my experiment. I should have put one Netlon mesh below. Anyway, continue to put the water. Let's see how high the water comes. And let's see what happens when the water comes into the sand and then we dig another hole. This is a nice experiment. No? This is a nice experiment. Huh? Yeah, I'm amazing. Yeah. This is the first time I'm doing this.
It's all going down.
Oh, a lot of things happened, huh?